Get ready for a phone that's stylish, powerful, and made for the modern 5G generation.
This is the OPPO A6x 5G, packed with features that stand out. A 50-megapixel AI camera setup designed for clarity in every shot. From daylight to lowlight,
The night mode upgrades make nighttime photography beautifully bright.
capture more in every frame with its wide-angle capabilities. A beautiful 6.72-inch display with smooth visuals and vibrant colors. Powered with a 120 Hz refresh rate that makes everything feel fluid. With a powerful MediaTek Dimensity 6300 chipset, performance stays fast and stable.
Whether gaming or multitasking, the A6x 5G handles it effortlessly.
Enjoy next-level network speeds with advanced 5G connectivity.
A long-lasting 6500 mAh battery with 45-watt SuperVOOC charger keeps you powered through the day. And with OPPO SuperVOOC Fast Charge, you get 22.4 hours of power for gaming and online streaming with screen-off calls. Lasts up to 51.4 hours. Available in 2 ice blue and olive green colors to match your style. Despite its features, it stays incredibly lightweight. It's only 212 grams and comfortable. Unlock instantly with its fast side fingerprint sensor. Crystal clear audio enhances your movies, games, and music. Choose between generous storage options such as 6 128GB and 8 256GB for all your apps and content. Smart AI features enhance photography, performance, and battery life. ColorOS adds a smooth, customizable, user-friendly experience. A phone built for entertainment, productivity, and everyday life. This is the OPPO A6x 5G, made for the new generation. Are you ready?